Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kawai ka Durki, kaba hampala, kaba lasa priang ngakiran san social media, kaba pen I biwei habrit kentai, ibaba mi sok makan bam, klem jing sat satya. Bat nalo kata, itaru igidur kemat lajong, do sok makan klem sat watang kendiat ru. Ini habrit, idi blatip kerteng kemi Angela Kars Imli, ibal andrus nam karta, iba syong basa akas nong Walang, West Kasil District, bat idi ikun jing ikong di Kars Imli. Ikong di Kars Imli, habaikan bunong lum kubor ling baka telefon, ila itu, baka jing bam sok makan bab jing Angela, kalong nadu kapur bidang kamret. Bala ong ru, ba imju sat satya, haba ibam yu sok makan. Bat dia turu, ba Angela ijubam kumbabam jor yu sok makan bam. Bat nalor kata, iju sultanat bahaban bam, tang yu sok makan sudah, klam da bam lang ya kaca. Syusyo ila ong ru, ba kiwei sok makan red ru, i Angela ijubam bah. Bat dia kini ru imsat satya, hendai ka ba ikam smat ban bam bah, kalong yu sok makan bam. Bat imju pan hakapur bi ikwa ban bam. Kat bala da ibam yu piat bius ing pan, I uot bagi sat.
Tên ơn cày. Jibang. Jibang bom dengan dia.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.